called him the old Hobo Joe. Say, listen to me before you go.
Hey everyone, it's Sam. Welcome back to another episode. This episode I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for an original Xbox that I ordered online. I bought this on eBay, and I'll put what I paid for it up here on the screen for you to see exactly what I paid for it. So we'll get with this unboxing and we'll see how it looks. Alright, so these things are generally very heavy and cumbersome. So I really don't like how they package this one. They put it in a, looks like a grocery bag, and just taped it up and stuck it in that box. I don't know how secure that is, but anyway, I have received this item, so I'm going to open it up. Maybe it's two grocery bags. Alright. The bottom of it says tested, cleaned 5/11/19, and it has somebody's initials on it. So this is the Xbox, original Xbox, and this one came out in the year 2000 for the United States and 2002 for Japan and most of Europe. This was a very popular version of the Xbox when it came out. So I'm going to take this over to my testing station, give it a test, and see how it works. It looks like someone's been into it. The screws have been, busted on the bottom. The security seals have been busted, so somebody's been into this one. It's also missing the rubber feet on the bottom. It does have all the screws, but it's missing the rubber feet, so that is a little bit concerning. So we'll see how it works, or if it works. And if it doesn't work, then we will see if we can make it work. Okay, so we're over here at the testing station, and I'm going to turn the Xbox on and see what happens. I already hooked up my controller. It didn't come with any cords or anything, so I just hooked up the controller that I had and the cords that I used for testing. So let's turn it on. Alright, this is the usual startup screen. We'll see if it goes into anything. I don't see the thing where you have to set the clock, so maybe there isn't any issue with the clock battery. Wait a minute, I haven't seen this before. What is this? System info. Xbox region NTSC M, Xbox V1.0 network info, Xbox software mod info. So apparently this Xbox has been modded. The software on this Xbox has been modded, and let's see what it's got here. We got systems, skins, okay, so it looks like you can change the skins. Emulators, you got Nintendo 64 and X-Boy Advance. So it looks like we have a real special video game console here. It has already been modded. So I'm going to take it back over to the bench. I can't seem to get the disk drive to open up. Okay, so that's pretty neat. We have games already installed on this. Well, I can't wait to get into this one and see what it looks like inside. I'm going to go ahead and stop it right now, and we'll get into take it over to the workbench and take it apart and see what it looks like. All right, so let's get it apart and see what we've got in here. Let's get these screws out. I've already loosened them up and taken them out once, and the camera screwed up on me, so I got them out. We'll turn it over and take it apart, and it's really clean inside. The case is clean, the inside is clean. Now this is not an original. Alright, I've already taken these screws out. But this is not an original hard drive that came in it. This hard drive is a Seagate. Focus on that. It says U Series 5. I don't see what the capacity is on this one as far as how many gigs. 16 HDS. That may be it. I'm not sure. So we'll set that off to the side. We will come over here and inspect the board. Well, there's some dust bunnies in here. Be worth cleaning that up a little bit. All right, so it doesn't look like the motherboard has really been messed with. It could just be that the modification is having the different hard drive in it, and that may be what's different. So this this is the motherboard here. We have the fan here with the CPU, and there's the capacitor that usually messes up on these. Let me see what year this actually is. It looks like a 2012. It was made 12/11. I'm sorry, 2002. So it was made 12/11/2002. I can't see any issues that would prevent the disk drive from opening up here. Now this board here was a little bit loose, so I pushed that in a little bit, and maybe, just maybe, that will be all that's needed to make the drive operational. The motherboard is very clean inside indeed. I don't see any modifications to the motherboard that I can tell, unless I'm just missing something. But yeah, I don't see any modifications to the motherboard itself. So let's hook everything back up, take it back over to the testing bench, and see if I can, or actually maybe I can just do it right here with the power cord. Probably should have hooked that up first. So I'll hook that up. This ribbon cable, they made these ribbon cables very durable, so I've never seen one of these ribbon cables that has actually failed. Before I go to the trouble to hook all this back up, let me open this up. Let me set this off to the side. Let me just open up this disk drive and see what I can see in here. Yeah, it says the warranty is void if the seal is damaged, so I just broke through the seal. Those are very long screws. And let's see if it'll come loose from this thing here. So I just took this case off, and it is extremely dirty inside. For as clean as the rest of it was, this thing is just very dirty, which is surprising. Let's see if I can get into it. See if this is what. That's not it. Ah, there we go. We got that off. Now maybe I can slide this bottom part. So you see there's a lot of dust bunnies inside of there. I'm going to do the best I can to clean that up while I'm inside of it. Give it a little blow. So it appears to be functioning okay. It doesn't look like there are any issues. While I'm in here, I might as well go ahead and clean off that lens. Alright, so I was having a problem with the button, the eject button on the console, and it just wasn't working. So what I decided to do is I decided to just take another one that I had and swap out the shell and put the insides in the other shell. So I did that, and I'm going to go test it just now and see if it works. Sometimes it's just something as simple as the electronic components, and this button doesn't feel right. So I'm gonna hope that that is what the problem is, and we'll put it together and see if it works. All right, so I've got it put back together, and I have used the bottom half of the other one that I had for parts. So let's turn it on, see what we got here. All right, he's coming up. And there is the screen. So let's give it a go. Whoa, how about that? It works. So now let's try a game. Let's try Call of Duty 3. And there we go. So it looks like I have fixed another Xbox. This one came for parts or repair. I think I paid $28 for it. And now I have a very good working console with an upgraded modified hard drive, and I think I could get a little bit more for it with that hard drive. So really pleased with how that turned out.
June 4th, 1940.
All right, so there we go. It's working. I'm going to get it listed on my eBay, and you'll be able to find the link for that below in the description. And if you're interested, you know, go on there and peruse and look at the different items that I have available. So I'm going to stop that, and it comes right out. So we got another one fixed for the books. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really had a good time making it, and it was something that I can do in retirement that's very productive. I'm able to repair old video consoles, and I'll put out more content like this. If you guys let me know that you like this kind of content, just leave me a comment down there in the description below and let me know if this is something that you want to see more of. And if it is, then I'll be glad to show you some more of it, because I have a lot of consoles that I have bought, and I might be able to do videos where I can show where I'm fixing those items and kind of give you an idea of what it takes to fix something like that. So be sure, if you did enjoy this content, be sure and give me a like and a subscribe. Hit that notification bell and come back and see me on the next one. So thank you for watching all the way to the end, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Love you guys.